Imagine standing before the colossal bronze statue of Helios, the sun god, welcoming you to the ancient harbor of Rhodes. The Colossus of Rhodes, towering at 100 feet, was a marvel of ancient engineering and artistry, constructed over 12 years. Sadly, an earthquake toppled this grand statue less than a century after its completion, but AI has now resurrected its awe-inspiring presence. In the heart of Egypt, the Great Pyramid of Giza stands as the sole survivor of the original 7 wonders of the world. Built with massive limestone blocks, some weighing up to 2.5 tons, the pyramid took 20 years to complete and remains a symbol of human ingenuity. AI has restored the Great Pyramid's original gleaming white limestone surface, allowing us to witness its former glory. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon, shrouded in mystery and legend, were said to feature elaborate terraces and magnificent water features. Though their existence remains debated, AI has brought these mythical gardens to life, showcasing their lush beauty as described in ancient texts. In Olympia, Greece, the statue of Zeus stood at an imposing 40 feet, crafted from ivory and seated on a majestic throne. Commissioned to outshine Athens, this divine statue met its end in a fire, but AI has digitally recreated its grandeur for modern audiences. The Lighthouse of Alexandria, a beacon of human innovation, once stood over 350 feet tall on Pharos Island. Designed by Sostratus of Cnidus, it showcased intellectual and mathematical prowess, guiding ships safely to harbor. Despite its destruction by earthquakes, AI has revived this guiding beacon, presenting it as it once stood in ancient times. The mausoleum at Halicarnassus, built in 350 BC, combined Greek, Near Eastern, and Egyptian design principles in a tribute to Mausolus. AI allows us to ascend its grand staircase and witness the wonder that once held the remains of this ancient ruler. The mausoleum met its demise in the 13th century due to earthquakes, but its architectural brilliance lives on through digital recreation. The Temple of Artemis at Ephesus, erected around 550 BC, was distinguished by its marble and gold embellishments. Despite facing multiple calamities, including arson and destruction by the Goths, AI has restored its glittering testament to the goddess Artemis. A Christian mob dismantled the temple in 401 AD, leaving only its foundations and a single column as a reminder of its former grandeur. While only the Great Pyramid of Giza remains standing today, AI's digital recreations of these wonders serve as a testament to human spirit and curiosity. Experience the 7 wonders of the ancient world as they once stood, brought back to life through the power of artificial intelligence.